Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your Cyclone. On your very front, you're going to find your 12-volt battery as well as your generator. Your generator is going to have some breakers, a prime down here on the bottom, as well as a stop. Push and hold to prime it. Push it one time to stop it. Start up top. You're going to have breakers, start it with them off, and then turn them into on position. So it'd be that way. Then you're going to want to put the cover on it. Otherwise, if you do not have the cover on it, you will overheat your generator. Your cover is here. Put the bottom on first, and then the top snaps in. And your top compartment here is going to be access to your pass-through. You're going to have access at all three sides. Right to the right here, you're going to find your toggle switch. This toggle switch is going to control the docking lights on the very front of your cap, the white LED strips. You're going to have your leveling control panel here that you're going to use most of the time. Up and down is going to bring power to it. Green LED appears. If the LED is ever red, go inside and look at the digital side. If there's no LED, that means there's no power to that panel. Up and down is going to control just your front legs here, as well as auto level is going to level out your unit. Hitch height is going to bring up the rear and bring the front right where you were ready to hook up your truck. Then you're going to have retract all. It's going to bring up all your jacks. One of the two 30-pound LP tanks. The other one's going to be on the passenger side in the same location. Regulator is going to be on the passenger side. Right here in the pass-through, you're going to find your power cord as well as your spray nozzle. Inlet for cable is going to be in the top four here. Inlet for water, you're going to choose if you want to fill the tank, or if you want to use the water out of the tank, or if you want to use the water out of the actual hose. Point it straight down for winterizing. You're going to have outdoor hot and cold shower here, as well as a input for satellite. Black tank flush, the snow, have your valves open and you connect it to the ground before you hook up the water hose. If you have a full black tank, you're going to have a big mess inside. You're going to have an individual tap light. You're going to see these throughout your unit a lot. There could be a button in the center. Water pump switch. You're going to have poles right beyond the slide here, so they'll be right here. Fresh water drain is going to be the blue tube. Coming to the rear of your coach, you're going to have the rear poles beyond this door. Black tank flush. Back connection. Your front connections underneath this slide. You're going to have two inlets for fuel. One's going to be for generator, one's going to be for your auxiliary nozzle inside this compartment. When you turn it on, that will show you the level. You're going to have a 50 amp plug-in service. Coming to the rear, you're going to have the rear porch drop down gate with the rear awning. Right on this side here, you're going to find a little compartment. This compartment is going to hold steps for your rear porch. Rear door goes into your garage. You have two more awnings on this side. The two rear are controlled from inside the garage, and this main one's going to be controlled from up front. Outdoor entertainment, you're going to be able to have output for satellite and cable here, as well as outdoor stovetop, outdoor fridge. Just know this is, if you're not hooked up to shore power, this will not work. Your main door. You're going to go past your main door, you're going to find your furnace exhaust, your JBL speakers. This is going to be your water heater. Water heater bypass here, as well as your battery disconnect. You're going to have your other 30-pound LP tank. The regulator is going to be right up in front of it. Pointed to the front, you're going to be using this tank. Point this black knob to the rear, you're going to be using the driver's side tank. Let's go ahead and go inside your coach. Inside your coach, right when you walk in, you'll have to bring this slide out to get to the main panel, as well as this will be the last slide in. So the first and last switch you'll touch will be here. That will operate this big slide. Then that will bring you to your monitoring panel here, or digital side of it. It's gonna be all inside here. So you can start your generator from here. You can check your leveling, your slides, your lights. You can do basically everything there. So now you're gonna find your wind guard. That's gonna be if you get Wi-Fi. That'll be to turn it on and off. You're gonna have any switch in your unit not labeled as lights. So you'll have all these are lights. You're gonna have this the slide out for the bedroom. Just know when you're operating this slide, that bedroom door needs to be open, this bathroom door needs to be closed. If either of them are in the other position, you're gonna have a big problem and you're gonna need a new door. Retract all and retract and extend awning, as well as the awning lights. Power control system will be able to tell you what service speed you're bringing inside of the coach. If you're running 30 amp or 12 volt, you're gonna find a few of these thermostats throughout your unit. You're just gonna hit the mode button to change, and then up and down, of course, is the temp. In the master bedroom in the coach, right to the right, there's that other thermostat, as well as a light switch. So if the light switch is in the opposite position, that just means it's on the digital side. So you'll have to turn it off on the digital side, and then so it'll show on. Right now it shows off. Now if you go on the digital side and turn it off, then those will match. But just know if it looks backwards, it's just because it's perfectly okay. It's on the digital side. You're gonna have your TV here. You're gonna have individual tap lights around the master bedroom in the coach. You're gonna have USB chargers as well as outlets on each side of this charging shelf here. Individual tap lights. Right by the headboard here, you're gonna have LED lights for up above. Bathroom, you can access into the master bedroom or the hallway. Fan power controls there, manually bring it down. GFI breaker right next to the sink. Bathroom light right here. Now we're gonna go out. Main living in your coach. You're gonna have your JBL system right to the left. They're gonna be A, B, and C zones. Now this radio will run off a 12 volt. Right to the right, you're gonna find your shelf, your TV. Coming into your kitchen, you're gonna find the keys around your sink, as well as you're gonna find individual tap lights underneath the cabinets. You're gonna find 2 light switches off to the right here. That's gonna control the lights up above. There's LED lights as well as solid white lights. LED, solid white. You're gonna have a fan control here. That's gonna control the fan above in the kitchen. Lights for your slide. You're gonna notice there's 2 switches right here. Those will control the lights on the slide. Now, if the slide is not operated by the digital side, because the digital side you can operate from your phone, but there's some stuff you cannot operate with it, which slide lights are one of them. Going inside your garage here, you're gonna have individual tap lights up above, as well as the third thermostat here next to the bathroom. Turn it off, and then you are prepped and ready for a washer and dryer. Rear bathroom, you're gonna have access into it right to the left. You're gonna have a light switch. Now, right when you come in, you're gonna look up. You're gonna find lights, as well as 2 of your awning controls, your bed lift control. Your bed lift control to operate that bed, you're gonna have to use the couch, as in this position. So you're gonna lay down the couch in the flat position, bring it all the way up. You're gonna pull the pin in the track there. There's one at each corner, and then you'll lower the bed with the bed lift control switch here with the couch. And they'll both come down. The bed will stop on the peg in the track system. At each track there's a peg. Those are adjustable. You have a nice loft area up top. Dual lights up there. Thank you. I hope this video helped. Thank you for choosing Regulator. Have a great day.